Table MATLAB or MATLAB table. How to make a table in MATLAB. Creating a table in MATLAB involves using the table function, which allows you to store data in a tabular format with labeled variables. Here are detailed steps to create and manipulate tables in MATLAB. Step-by-step guide to creating a table in MATLAB. 1. Creating a basic table asterisk. To create a table, you define each column as a separate variable and then combine them into a table. MATLAB define the data for each column: age equals 25, 30, 35, 40, height equals 175, 180, 165, 170, weight equals 70, 80, 75, 85, name equals John, Doe, Alice, Bob. Combine the variables into a table. T equals table, age, height, weight, name, 2. Assigning variable names asterisk. By default, the table will use the variable names defined. You can also set or change the variable names. MATLAB creating the table with custom variable names. T equals table, age, height, weight, name, variable names, age, height, weight, name, 3. Displaying the table asterisk. Simply type the table name to display it in the MATLAB command window. MATLAB DISP, T, 4. Adding row and column names asterisk. You can add row names and change the column names after creating the table. MATLAB adding row names. T.properties.row names equals row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Changing column names. T.properties.variable names equals years, cm, kg, names, 5. Accessing data in the table asterisk. Access data by using dot notation or parenthesis. MATLAB using dot notation. Heights equals T.height. Using parenthesis. Heights equals T colon, height, 6. Adding and removing variables asterisk. You can add new variables, columns, or remove existing ones. MATLAB adding a new variable. BMI equals 22.9, 24.7, 27.5, 29.4, T.BMI equals BMI. Removing a variable. T.BMI equals 7. Subsetting the table asterisk. Create a new table by selecting specific rows or columns. MATLAB select specific columns. T underscore subset equals T, name, height. Select specific rows. T underscore subset equals T, 1:2, smiley face. Example of creating and manipulating a table. Here is a complete example that incorporates several operations. MATLAB define data. Age equals 25, 30, 35, 40. Height equals 175, 180, 165, 170, weight equals 70, 80, 75, 85, name equals John, Doe, Alice, Bob. Create table. T equals table, age, height, weight, name, variable names, age, height, weight, name. Display the table. DISP, original table, DISP, T. Add a new variable. BMI equals weight slash height slash 100, dot caret 2. T.BMI equals BMI. Remove a variable. T.weight equals access specific data. Heights equals T.height. Subset the table. T underscore subset equals T, 1:2, smiley face. Display modified table. DISP, modified table, DISP, T. Display subset of the table. DISP, subset of the table, DISP, T underscore subset. Tips. Type safety asterisk. Ensure all data in each variable are of the same type. Variable names asterisk. Use descriptive and unique names for variables to avoid confusion. Functionality asterisk. Explore other table related functions like head, tail, summary, and sort rows for more advanced operations. By following these steps and utilizing MATLAB's built-in functions, you can effectively manage and manipulate tabular data. For more detailed information, you can refer to the MATLAB documentation on tables. https://www.mathworks.com/help/matlab/tables.html